Hey everybody, got my shipment from BigZ Fabric, so let's go ahead and open her up, see what we got. These are nice. So exciting. Everything is packed really nicely. Got my invoice on my packing slip. I've got a couple of samples here, so I'm going to tear into these first. Maybe. I can get into it. Scissors. We'll do scissors. Carefully. Very carefully. Okay. I'm excited about these. I've been waiting for a while for them. Ooh. Let's see. So we all know, oh yeah, I know which one I'm going to pick. Okay, so we all know that black is one of those colors that sells out very quickly. It's very difficult to source, so I'm hoping that that BigZ has some more by the time I get back to them. So I know that they just got a shipment in, but when I tried to look at the pre-order, which I wasn't prepared to do because I needed to make sure that that I got the samples so I know exactly what I'm getting, right? So this is one of the black samples. And then, so this one is a little bit thicker. I don't know if you can see this, but it's long pile. It's quite thick. It's very dense. I can feel it. So this is the black solid shaggy long pile fabric, and it's their Eco Shag line. And then this one is a little bit thinner. The pile is a little bit shorter, but it is softer, and yeah, looks really good. It is a little bit more lightweight than this one. This one just has, it looks like it's cut a little bit funny, but it's just a little crease. So a little heat with a hairdryer will get that right out. So yeah, awesome. They feel so nice. You can really feel the quality of a good faux fur by how soft it is. So if you didn't know that, now you do. Okay, so moving on. This is so gorgeous. These are so pretty. I always love getting new furs in, but this one is gorgeous. Let me see if I can't remember the actual name of it for you guys. Let's see. Okay, so hang on. I gotta see. Oh, okay, perfect. So this one right here is the Mojave Desert Wolf. Feels so good. It feels great. And these are going to look so cool in Pom Poms. The depth of the color in these and the different color layers is going to be really cool. It's going to be really stunning. I can't wait to show those to you guys as they're all made up here. And then I have this one, which is, this one is the Purple Siberian Husky. This one is a little bit lighter weight. It's not, the pile is not as thick, as dense, but also has some really good color variation. Also super smooth, super soft. It's going to look really cool with the purples, with the blacks, with the whites, with the greens. It's going to look really good. I love that Mojave one. And then the last one, this is the last one that I got. And this one is the Apollo Wolf in the pink. And these are This I actually got 2 yards of because I just thought it was so pretty. This is also thicker than the purple Siberian Husky, so it's a little bit more dense. It does have those beautiful shades throughout, which is also going to look really good for those Valentine's Day, for those fall hats. It's going to look really good with the pinks and the blacks and the grays, all the neutral colors. It's going to look really great. But if I had to choose, so that's the completion of my order. If I had to choose one, that's my favorite, I'm going to go with the Mojave Desert Wolf, because that one, I don't know, this pink one too also is really exciting. But my favorite is the Mojave Desert. It's gorgeous. It's really gorgeous. Look at all those pretty colors. Tans, creams, grays, dark browns underneath. Yeah, really great. So that's my order from BigZ Fabric. I hope you all have a great day.